Hello, this is Norman Clark with Norman Clark Painting. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to organize your painting supplies. The first thing we should talk about are the painting tools themselves. You have brushes, you have rollers, and you have the hard tools. Brushes and hard tools go in separate toolboxes. The reason for this being you want to keep your brushes bucket so they're nice and neat, ready for the use of the next time. Paint cans. Paint cans should be labeled as to what room you use them in so that next time you can come back to it and you know exactly which paint can is for what area and what room. And also another tip, make sure before you put your stuff away, all the lids are securely pushed or fastened down on the paint can itself. I can't tell you how many times someone's grabbed the paint can thinking it's completely closed and it hasn't been. I'm Norman Clark with Norman Clark Painting. That was how to organize your painting supplies. Thank you.